Here I have ASUS ZenFone 5Z, and let me show you top tricks and hidden features on the following device. Okay, let's start with the first one, which is the audio wizard. Let's tap on settings, choose sound and vibration, and then slide down to the very bottom and tap on audio wizard. Okay, here we have some 4 prepared filters like normal, pop, rock and vocal, but we are interested in custom one. So here we can customize some filters and, for example, maximize the bass. Okay, let's save it and go back, and let's go straight to the second feature, which is fingerprint notification bar. Okay, let's go to settings, tap on advanced, slide down to the fingerprint gesture. Here the only available option is swipe down for notifications. Let's check it on, and let me show you how it works. For example, we want to check some notification, we slide down, but now we can also use the fingerprint sensor to do it. As you can see, it works. Okay, now let me show you the third feature, which is the long screenshot. Let me show you this on settings. Okay, and at the beginning let's take a regular screenshot, holding the power key and the volume down both. Okay, the screenshot has been saved, and now we will take the long screenshot. And let's tap on long screenshot. Okay, the screenshot has been saved, and let's see the difference. Here we have our regular screenshot. It ends on accessibility, but our long screenshot took out all settings menu. Okay, let's go to the fourth feature, which is the page maker. Let's open a browser, and for example, here we have some Wikipedia page. If we want to read it offline, we can just use the page maker. Let's tap on page maker, and let's save this page. As you can see, the page is downloaded, so we need to wait to the end of this process. Okay, that's it. Let's click on the page maker once again and choose my collections. Let's tap on our site, and here we can read the whole site offline. Okay, let's go back, and the last feature is named Twin Apps. Let's tap on settings and go to advanced. Here we need to find Twin Apps. Let's tap on it, and this is just basically cloning the apps. For example, if we have 2 accounts on Instagram, we can just turn it on, and the application now has cloned. Now we should have 2 Instagrams. Okay, thank you for this video. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a like under the video.